Hayden, how you doing? DJ here, reviewing your course, and my feedback starts out a little bit harsh, but as the questions go, the answers get a lot better, in my opinion. So I think they ask us to answer about 20 questions for review, and I'll go ahead and get started with that. As I told you earlier, I really like the idea of the class. I think it's super important, super valuable. I think it's already being taught on a lot of campuses in some form or fashion. So you're right on the mark with this course. Great idea, really valuable. Obviously, you know that from being a college coach. So the course overview, I think, meets the standard. The netiquette, I said, is not existent. That's something that you need to include, is how they should share their ideas and what type of wording and et cetera is acceptable in the discussions. Your instructor introduction was excellent. I said that exceeds the standard. Really good job there. Students are asked to introduce themselves to the class. Really, I think the first time that the students get to know each other on a personal level is Unit 4 or Module 4. So I would consider switching that and making that Unit 1, even though it is thinking about life after college, which a lot of times, I know that sounds backwards, right? To say life after college for an intro to college course would be Module 1. I agree, it's Module 4, but it is the first time the students get a chance to talk with each other about their personalities. And I think sometimes we get motivated to do a great job with what we're doing right now when we think about why we're doing it. So I don't think it'd be the end of the world if that was Module 1. Take it or leave it. The course outcomes are measurable. I said developing. I think that's pretty hard. It's probably something that's pretty advanced in a teaching career. I don't know that my course is very good at developing measurable outcomes, so or measuring outcomes. So don't worry there. The unit outcomes, I said, we're also developing. The instructions, I said, was somewhere between meets and exceeds. I think you're pretty clear about what you want, although this is probably my best piece of feedback I have for you in this course. Is there's a couple times you say, you can do this or you can do that. And I would be more direct. You will do this and you will do that in order to get credit. Because if I'm a student and you say I can or I can do that, I'm going to do one or the other. I'm not going to do both because why would I? I don't have to. So if you want them to do it, tell them it's required. So you will do this and you will do that. Age appropriate, I said, is excellent. A really good job tailoring this class to college kids. You obviously know college kids very well. That's clear from your design in this course. Consistent, I said that meets the standards. Absolutely. Your modules are very consistent. It's an easy to follow process. I get it. Your grading policy, I didn't find it. That doesn't mean it's not there. I didn't find it. So I said non-existent. Assessment instruments are varied. I said you exceeded. I think you do a really nice job of giving people opportunity to participate in different types of assignments. So good job there. I said your materials contribute. Excellent job. I said they exceed. You're doing a great job there. The breadth and the depth, I said exceeds. I think it's up to date. The material is very relevant. Obviously, I already said that. Your citations for your coursework, I said exceeds. I don't know, maybe somebody with a better stickler type might feel differently, but I think you did a good job. The activities promote the achievement, great job. I think it really matches up. I think they're going to get what you want them to get out of the course if they put the effort in. Nice job. Student interaction, excellent job. I said exceeds, a lot of discussion. A lot of opportunity to read other people's discussions, learn from each other. So you're really on it there. The last 4 here, instructor responsiveness. I didn't think you told them when or how you're going to respond to them. I think you can do a better job there. I said it was non-existent. The navigation, I think, is logical and consistent. I said that exceeds. Your organization exceeds. Everything makes sense. Great job. Taking advantage of the course content, I said meets. Again, I'm not an expert. But Daniel, I think this is a great class. Sorry, Hayden, you're on to something great. Keep up the good work. Take care.